So I wanted to take just a few minutes and go over some of these problems with the combined operations because I think it may not have been as clear as I'd like in class. So I just wanted to take another minute to do a couple of these so that you guys can make sure you're rock solid on this. So these were problems where we had combined order of operations and we were mixing addition and subtraction with multiplication and division, something like this. Okay, so the way it works is you're still going to obey the rules for sig figs for this subtraction operation, but you're not going to apply any of the rounding or anything until the last answer. So what that means is you don't have to take this in your calculator, adjust for sig figs, and then do this. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. Okay, so if we take this first expression here, this subtraction operation, and I'm running to get my calculator across the room, and then I'm coming back. So if we take this and we enter this into our calculator, 15.803 minus 4.76. Okay, for this piece we get 11.043. Okay, now the rules here tells us we can only use 2 digits, what is sometimes called digits of precision. Okay, here we have 3, but here we only have 2. So it's good to kind of indicate that on your answer, okay, that your digits of precision have taken you to this point in the number. Okay, this 3 is not going to figure in our final rounding or our final application of significant figures. But what we don't have to do is stop, clear it out, put in 11.04 in our calculator. We can just simply now divide this by 9.3. Okay, now when we do that, divide by 9.3. We get this big ugly number, 1.187419355. Okay, we have now, because we're dividing, we have 2 sig figs here, and we have 4 sig figs here. Okay, right, because we're really only considering this amount of the number. Okay, so that means our final answer, because we're dividing, the rule is we want to go with the fewest number of sig figs. We're going to round this digit up and get 1.2. Okay, I'm going to really quickly do another one of these. Oops, that's weird. Okay. All right, so let me do another one of these real quick. So here we have 4.8 times 6.821, and we are adding 12.840. Okay, so same deal. We're going to look at the parentheses. We're going to evaluate this expression first, and then we'll do the addition. Okay, so here, if I plug that into my calculator, clear, 4.8 times 6.821 equals, I get 32.7408. Right, now again, we can leave that in the calculator, but we need to be aware of when we're multiplying, we're really only eventually going to be dealing with 2 sig figs. All right, now we can go ahead and just add 12.840. Our answer we get out is 45.5808. Okay, but here, what we have to pay attention to is our digits of precision. Here we have 3 digits of precision. Here we really have 0. digits of precision. Okay, so in our final answer, because we're adding, we will have 0 digits of precision, or 0 numbers after the decimal. In other words, we're going to take this, round this 45 up, and we'll get 46 for this answer. Okay, that's our final answer. All right, I hope this helps. I will take time to do this once in a while to make a short video, hopefully helping you with some points that we might not have time to cover in class, or weren't quite up to my satisfaction. I know there was some uncertainty on how to handle these rules, and I hope this helps.